The courtroom comes to order. All rise. Judge Run Darby takes the bench as both parties stand in silence. This is the Allen case. The tension is immediate. Both sides are sworn in, and the judge invites everyone to be seated. What follows is not just about money, but about trust, separation, and a family in transition.
Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1017, Allen case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Allen or Miss Allen?
It's Mrs. still.
Mrs. Okay. You brought this case?
Mrs. Allen steps forward, steady but clearly emotional. She explains that she and her husband have been separated for 5 months. Divorce papers are now filed. Their 12-year-old son lives with her. And today, she wants child support and back pay. The courtroom listens closely as the judge narrows in on her request.
Before the court, what's going on?
Well, my husband and I have been separated for 5 months.
Okay.
And now I have filed for divorce. He has started seeing someone else, and I would like back pay for our son. He is 12 years old.
Okay. Do you want back pay because he's seeing someone else?
Well, because he is supporting somebody else.
The judge presses for clarity. Is this about support for the child, or anger over a new relationship? Mrs. Allen insists it's about responsibility. She says her husband is now supporting someone else, while she carries the day-to-day costs of raising their son alone.
No longer in our home,
Okay.
and I would like to have back pay and start paying child support for our son, that he is living with me.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not... You want back pay for the child, right? Not necessarily because he's moved on.
Yes.
Okay. Since he left, has he given you any type of support?
Yes.
Okay. How much?
The facts begin to matter. The judge asks a critical question. Has the father provided any support since leaving? Mrs. Allen confirms he has. $600 every month. Always by money order. Proof has been submitted. The judge nods. Consistency matters in this courtroom.
About
600.
600 each month?
Money orders every month, ma'am.
Okay. Money orders? Okay, good. And it looks like you turned those in to me. Okay. So you want child support and back pay?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. And what do you have to say about that?
I don't think I need to give back pay. It's like we just...
Now the father speaks. Calm. Prepared. He explains that he's been paying regularly and also covers health insurance for the child. The judge notices his paperwork and commends him for being organized. Then comes the personal turn. Is this case really about a new girlfriend?
had mentioned, I've been giving her $600 every month in money orders, plus I take care of the insurance.
Okay, and how much is the insurance exactly?
Insurance is $109.
Okay, and I like that you came prepared with your notes and stuff. You don't see too many people come to court with their documents, so that's good. So about this significant other, do you believe that that's the reason you're being brought to court now?
Yes, completely.
Okay, is there a story behind that? Like, did they have an argument, a disagreement?
Well, they don't like each other.
The story unfolds. The new woman is younger. Much younger. And not a stranger, she was once connected to Mrs. Allen's work. The courtroom reacts quietly. Emotions spill out. Accusations fly. The judge quickly refocuses the room. This court is not about jealousy. It's about the child.
I mean, obviously.
Well, thing is that she's a yoga instructor.
Okay.
And she works, she does her yoga. And the woman I'm seeing now actually is a former student of hers.
Oh, so you know her.
Knew her.
You knew her.
Yes.
Were you guys friends?
She was an acquaintance that I'd help her, took her under my wing. She's younger, she's 20 years younger than me.
You're mad about that?
I'm not happy about it. I mean, wouldn't you be? I mean, what do you expect, you know?
Well, me personally, you know, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, this caught me off guard. I do focus myself a lot at work. He's upset, so I'm hardly focusing on him. So I guess that's why he's decided to find somebody else.
She's focused on her work and not on me and her son. That's the reason why we're having issues now.
Attention shifts to finances. The father owns an accounting firm and earns around $85,000 a year. He pays $109 a month for the child's health insurance. The judge explains how child support is calculated and how back pay works when support doesn't match legal guidelines.
Okay. And that's the reason, obviously, why you guys are split and you're with someone else.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Based on your financial documents that you provided, it looks like you own an accounting firm. You make about $85,000 a year?
Correct.
Okay. And health insurance, you said, who covers that?
I do.
How much is that?
$109 a month.
Okay. So what we are going to do is calculate your child support. And the way that it works is whatever the calculation comes out to, if there is a difference, then the back pay would be, what you've already paid would be a credit towards that. So you wouldn't necessarily get the full amount of what the back.
The numbers roll in. The judge carefully breaks it down. Monthly child support should be just over $1,098. Over 5 months, that adds up. Credits are applied for the $600 payments already made. After the math, the final back pay balance is clear, $2,493 still owed.
Back pay should be, and you shouldn't expect it because he has proof that he's giving you money and you actually agreed that he's been giving you money. So based on your $85,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,974. Net comes out to $5,493.29. And I gave you credit for your medical, the $109 that you carry for the child, and that's for the child only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I gave you credit for that. So that brings your child support obligation, well, not the full amount, but it's $1,098.60, okay? $1,098.60. And when you multiply that by 5 months, back pay comes out to $5,493, giving you credit for what you've paid. You said $600?
Yes.
Okay, so $600 times 5 for the past 5 months will be $3,000. That's what you get a credit for. So when you apply the credit to the $5,493, it comes out to $2,493 that's remaining for back pay. So the way that we kind of make sure you pay that over time, you want to cover the interest on the amount each month.
Okay.
So you can do $150.
The ruling tightens. To cover back pay and interest, the father's monthly obligation rises to $1,248 for now. The judge explains this is temporary. Once the back pay is satisfied, the amount drops back down. Firm. Fair. By the book.
About $149 would be interest if you do like 6% interest every month, which is what the state is entitled to. So about $150 a month would cover the interest, and you would add that to the monthly child support obligation. So that will make your full monthly child support obligation of $1,248.
Okay. But
And once that $2,493 is paid in full, the amount will go back down to the $1,098.60.
but why do I need to pay back pay? I mean, I've been giving her money. I think the $600 was sufficient.
Well, technically, it is good that you did give her money, but your child support obligation based.
The father objects softly. He believed $600 was enough. The judge corrects him. Intent matters, but obligation matters more. He receives credit for what he paid, but the law sets the standard. With no further questions, the case is dismissed.
Based on what you make, comes out to about $400 more than that. So you were short. Had you been giving her $1,000 a month, it would have probably covered it minus maybe $100 or something like that. But yeah, that's the reason why you have back pay owed. But you did get a credit for the $600 that you did give her for the past 5 months. Okay. Do you all have any other questions? Anything else we need to discuss here today? Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. You're welcome.
The judge offers a final reflection, speaking directly to the audience. This case is about more than separation. It's about accountability. Support must reflect income. Payments must meet the child's needs, not personal opinions. In this courtroom, emotions don't decide outcomes, facts do. And when it comes to a child's future, the law exists to protect what matters most.